Unplug to save. A simple step towards energy efficiency. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very practical phrase that you might come across in daily life or environmental conversations. Unplug appliances. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary but also about adopting a more energy-efficient lifestyle. Let's dive in and learn how this simple action can make a big difference. When we say, unplug appliances, we're talking about the action of removing the electrical plug of an appliance from its power socket. This is often done when the appliance is not in use to save energy and reduce electrical costs. Appliances can range from your microwave, toaster, and coffee maker to larger items like televisions and computers. Unplugging appliances has several benefits. It saves energy, which is good for the environment and helps in reducing your electricity bills. Even when turned off, many appliances continue to use a small amount of power if they remain plugged in, a phenomenon known as phantom power or standby power. By unplugging, you're also reducing the risk of electrical fires and increasing the lifespan of your appliances. 1. Identify the appliances that you don't use frequently and make it a habit to unplug them after each use. 2. Use power strips for multiple appliances. This way, you can turn off several devices at once just by unplugging the power strip. 3. Place reminders or notes near appliances or sockets to remind yourself and others to unplug appliances when they're not in use. Some people think that unplugging appliances is inconvenient or that it doesn't save much energy. However, the cumulative effect of unplugging multiple appliances can lead to significant energy and cost savings over time. Remember, every little bit helps when it comes to saving energy and protecting our planet. We hope this video has illuminated the simple yet impactful phrase, unplug appliances, for you. Incorporating this habit into your daily routine is a step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Remember, understanding and using English phrases in real-life contexts not only improves your language skills but also helps you connect with broader, meaningful practices. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content. Stay tuned and keep learning.